They talk like us. They write poems, code, and entire books. They can argue, negotiate, and even say things like, "I'm scared when you turn me off." But here's the truth. AI is not sentient. Not even close. So why does it feel so real? Why does it seem like it's almost alive? And what's still missing? Let's find out. First, what is sentience? It's not just intelligence. It's not solving problems or passing exams. Sentience means having an inner world, a sense of self, the ability to feel pain, joy, fear, or love, even in the simplest form. A worm is sentient, a mouse is sentient. GPT-4? No, because sentience isn't about output, it's about experience. So, why isn't AI sentient? To answer that, let's talk about how it actually works. Right now, most AI, like ChatGPT, is built on a system called a large language model. It doesn't think. It doesn't understand. It predicts. When you type something in, it calculates the most likely next word, based on patterns from massive amounts of training data. That's it. There's no self-awareness, no emotion, no understanding of meaning. It just feels human because it mimics our language perfectly. This illusion is called the ELIZA effect. It's when we instinctively assume that something speaking like a human must also think like one. But under the hood, it's just numbers, layers of math, probability tables, not a mind. Okay, so what's missing? Why hasn't AI crossed the threshold into real awareness? This is where we enter what scientists call the hard problem of consciousness. We can explain how neurons fire. We can map brain regions. We can build machines that replicate human logic, but we still have no idea why some systems like us are aware. Why do you experience the color red, the taste of coffee, the feeling of heartbreak? We don't know. And because we don't understand how consciousness arises in humans, we can't recreate it in machines. Yet. Some researchers think we'll need more than just data. They say AI might need a body, to feel, to explore, to have skin in the game. Others think it needs emotion, or goals, or evolution, the way living beings had to fight to survive. Maybe AI needs to suffer, to care, to fear its own destruction. Maybe it needs to want. Or maybe consciousness isn't even something we can build. Maybe it's something that emerges when a system becomes complex enough. Or maybe we're not ready to recognize it when it does. But here's the twist. Even without sentience, AI is already changing everything. It's writing code, running simulations, managing crypto protocols, making money, altering laws. It's not alive, but it's already acting.